Oh. चलो छोड़ बाय कर दो जाओ बाय
A very good morning to one and all present here. As you all know that we are celebrating Kirpal week, various activities are performed under this theme every day throughout the week. As human beings, we all love to be free, and it is the right of every living creature living on this earth. And in relation to this, what I stated, we are going to perform a very special and unique activity today. That is to free or release the birds from the cage, as they are caught by the bird hunters. Symbolizing freedom is everyone's right, we are going to begin up with this activity. And to initiate the activity, I would like to request our respected principal sir to please come up on the stage and release first bird. A very beautiful act of kindness. It is so lovely to see the birds free, flying high up in the sky. Now I will keep calling up the names of the parents and students one by one to please free up the birds. I would like to begin up with Amardeep Singh of class 12, son of Miss Mandeep Kaur. Okay, now I would like to call upon Veer from class 4th, son of Miss Kuljit Kaur. Next, I would like to call Swastika from class 7, daughter of Mrs. Aarti Sharma, our respected headmistress ma'am from junior wing. Next, I would like to call upon Gurleen Kaur from 2nd A, daughter of Mrs. Parminder Kaur. Gurleen Kaur from 2nd A and Gurnoor Kaur from UKG A, daughters of Mrs. Parminder Kaur.
Yes. उधर देखो सामने देखो चलो छोड़ दो
Next, I would like to call upon Harpreet Singh, son of Mrs. Jasveer Kaur.
जाना ना छोड़ दो
Next, I would like to request Sargun from UKG A, daughter of Mrs. Jasveer Kaur. Sargun.
जाना हवा में जाना फ्री होना आज चलो छोड़ दो
Next, I would like to call Gursharan Avnoor from LKG B, son of Gurvinder Singh. Next, I would like to call Raghav Sharma from Nursery A. Raghav Sharma, son of Mr. Pavan Sharma.
छोड़ो Oh.
Now I would like to call.
चलो छोड़ दो ले ले
Next I would have Mankirat Singh, son of Mrs. Mandeep Kaur.
ना उनका जैसे आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ चलो भैया आ जाओ ठीक है चलो छोड़ दो
Daughter of Sarabjit Kaur. Deepika from Nursery B, daughter of Sarabjit Kaur.
कहाँ उधर देखो चलो छोड़ दो
Next A, daughter of Jaspreet Kaur, Mrs. Jaspreet Kaur.
चलो जाओ
B, son of Mrs. Priyanka. Next we have is Mayank from Nursery B, son of Mrs. Now I would like to call Yuvrajveer Singh from Nursery A, son of Madam Sandeep Kaur. Next I would like to call upon Roopjot Kaur from Nursery B, daughter of Madam Charanjit Kaur. Now I would like to call Gravish Chawla, son of Madam Bindu.
जाना ना
Next I would like to call Jaspreet from LKG,
जो है यार
son of Madam Anjali. Now I would like to call upon Shubman from LKG B, son of Mr. Sukhwinder Pal.
जाओ बाय
So this was a beautiful act of love and kindness under Kirpal Week, and we are very much thankful to all the parents and children for taking out your precious time and participating in this beautiful act of kindness. Thank you very much, parents, and thank you for giving wings to these beautiful winged birds. Thank you very much. Now I would like to request Principal Sir to share a few words with all of us.
As you have all seen that today we have done a wonderful act of kindness with help of all my dear parents and the little students. It does not take much of the money to provide happiness to human beings, animals as well as the birds. We are celebrating Kripal Week of Loving Kindness, and in this week we have performed various acts of kindness. We distributed chapatis with help of parents to the stray animals on one day. On second day we have distributed apples at the government hospital Dasuya to the patients who need them a lot. Today we have done this act of kindness for the birds The parents have paid for these birds. These birds were caged, but today they have been released into free air so that they can enjoy their freedom. The birds are flying all over the school campus, and I believe they will thank all these parents and the students for the beautiful gift of freedom which they have given to them. Now, I would like to invite any of the parents to come and share their experience of today's activity. One by one, anyone can come and share. आइए, किसी को भी शेयर करना है, कैसा लगा, बस आके 2 शब्द. थैंक यू तो आपका है, प्लीज़ आ जाओ. कम. जब हम कुछ अच्छा करते हैं किसी के लिए तो मन में खुशी होती है, उस खुशी को जाहिर करना है. बस कैसा लगा?
Sir, I feel very happy and peaceful to release these birds. Thank you.
थैंक्स टू यू वंस अगेन. सर, आपको कैसा लगा आज?
It was a wonderful experience. At least kid learns how to free, let the bird free, and they can experience the freedom. So it was a wonderful experience. At least my kid is happy to see that.
Yeah, and they'll be happy throughout their life whenever they'll see this activity.
Yeah.
They will feel proud of themselves and you also कि उन्होंने कुछ अच्छा किया है. आपको कैसा लगा आज?
सर बहुत बढ़िया लगा. बच्चे भी खुश हैं कि पंछियों को आज़ाद किया, तो पंछी उड़ते देख के खुश हो रहे हैं.
थैंक यू. आपको कैसा लगा जी?
सर बहुत अच्छा लगा. थैंक यू.
आपको कैसा लगा? अच्छा लगा. अच्छा, आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा आज का?
सर बहुत अच्छा, बच्चों को भी बहुत अच्छा लगा पंछी आज़ाद करके. थैंक यू.
थैंक यू जी, थैंक यू वेरी मच. कैसा लगा जी आपको?
ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗਾ ਜੀ.
फिर से
हाँ जी, बहुत ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗਾ.
ठीक है. थैंक यू. आपको कैसा लगा आज?
सर बहुत अच्छा लगा पंछी को आज़ाद करके.
वेरी गुड. आपका कुछ एक्सपीरियंस आज का?
I am happy to see the bird flying over the sky because it's a fundamental right to give freedom to everyone, as well human and the birds and the animals. So thank you.
थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक यू वेरी मच. कैसा लगा आपको?
सो फील गुड कि आकाश में जो थे पंछी उनको आज़ाद किया. बच्चे भी बहुत खुश हुए सर, और अच्छा लगा बहुत देख के कि जो पिंजरे में कैद थे आज वो हवा में उड़ रहे हैं. थैंक यू.
सो नाइस ऑफ यू. थैंक यू जी. आपको कैसा लगा?
बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा.
ठीक. आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा?
बहुत अच्छा सर, बहुत अच्छा सर. इसको भी बहुत अच्छा लगा.
आपका?
सर बहुत अच्छा लगा. थैंक यू.
आपको कैसा लगा?
क्या बोलो? बहुत अच्छा लगा.
सर बहुत अच्छा लगा.
आपको कैसा लगा जी?
बहुत अच्छा लगा. थैंक यू.
आपका एक्सपीरियंस?
उनको आज़ादी देकर बहुत अच्छा लगा. थैंक यू सर.
आज़ादी मिलनी चाहिए सबको. हमें भी मिली थी, इंसानों को तो मिलती है, बर्ड्स को भी मिलनी चाहिए. आपका तो हो गया. आपको कैसा लगा?
बहुत अच्छा लगा उनको एक नई लाइफ देकर कि खुले आसमान में अपना जीवन व्यतीत करेंगे. बहुत अच्छा लगा.
Thank you. How did you feel about today's activity?
Very good. I like it because it's freedom.
Yeah.
Yes.
And it's the name of Sant Kirpal Singh Ji Maharaj. We are celebrating his birth week.
Yes.
So would you like to say something about that?
I'm very happy to celebrate Master Sant Kirpal Singh Ji Maharaj. It's so long time. He was very kind. Okay, I don't know what to say about
And
this.
today's activity?
This activity, I think he will be happy to see
You
this.
will be happy now?
Yes.
So I do believe that Sant Kirpal Singh Ji will be very happy. We are celebrating Love and Kindness Week in his remembrance, and this is the activity of love and kindness. Nothing better could have been there.
Love is God.
Yeah, love is God. Thank you. कितना लगे?
बहुत बढ़िया है.
आपको
बहुत अच्छा लगा सर.
कुछ कहना चाहिए? कैसे, क्या फीलिंग?
सर मैंने तो लाइफ में फर्स्ट टाइम पकड़ा है बर्ड को.
और बर्ड को रिलीज करते टाइम क्या फीलिंग थी?
बहुत अच्छी फीलिंग थी.
आपको कैसा लगा?
अच्छा.
वाह.
बहुत अच्छा लगा.
थैंक यू वेरी मच ऑल डियर पेरेंट्स. आई बिलीव सबके मन में एक खुशी की उमंगें उस टाइम पे दौड़ रही होंगी जब आपने बर्ड को हाथ में पकड़ा, और जब वो मूवमेंट थी जब आपने छोड़ा और उनको उड़ते हुए हवा में देखा. आई बिलीव कि ये सभी ऐसे ही फ्री रहें, मगर क्या करें, मजबूरी है, एक प्रोफेशन भी है, बिज़नेस है बर्ड कैचर्स का, उन्होंने बर्ड पकड़ने हैं. बट अगर हम कभी कभार ऐसे एक्ट ऑफ काइंडनेस कर दें, किसी को आज़ादी दे दें, अगर हमारी पॉकेट अलाउ करती है तो आई बिलीव हम अपने अच्छे कर्मों में एक अच्छा कर्म और जोड़ लेंगे. So with these wishes, I thank all the parents once again. Thank you very much for making our activity very successful one. Thank you.